Alright, so I just kind of stumbled onto an interesting little idea that's helping me out quite a bit on this particular project. I'm making some rudimentary exhaust flanges, and I want to be able to make sure that the holes that bolt them together are going to be exactly in line with one another when this all goes together. So I started out drilling this thing on with just a hand drill and realized real quick that I wanted to be on the drill press. So what I was trying to figure out how to do was I didn't have a vise big enough for the project in hand, or the project in question. So while I had it in my bench vise, I just threw these clamps on it, threw it up here, and then, started thinking I've got to have a way to keep it from spinning if it goes astray on me. Enter this bar, and voila. That seems to be just the ticket for this little project. So I've got the center hole is 1/4 inch right now, waiting for whatever size hole saw I'm going to need. And then the outer holes are going to be 3/8. But anyways, I just wanted to show you this little setup because this is actually the whole purpose of the video. So I'll drill this last hole real quick. And that's that. So anyways, I just figured I would share that little tidbit. So I won't be able to do, or I'm probably not going to bother doing the large diameter hole for the exhaust pipe until I actually get my new Y pipe in and determine just exactly what size I need to make this all work. But anyways, I'll probably have another video of something later today because I got more ideas figured out on how to solve some of the problems that I'm working through on this. So I'll catch you guys later.